John, the best thing about the Google Chromebook is the file manager, because whether you keep photos and videos or documents in the cloud in Dropbox or in Box or in Google Drive, or directly inside of your Chromebook or in an external hard drive that's physically connected or even not physically connected, all show up in the file manager. One of the big problems that people have had in the past with cloud computers is, where the hell did I put it? Normally with Windows and Apple, you find all your photos and videos and documents right in your PC, right there, because there's a little thumbnail, an image that reminds you of the holiday you took 2 years ago. That's where the photos are. But when you put stuff in the cloud, people normally just upload them, don't even give them names, and forget about them. But with Chromebook's file manager, you're going to get a little nudge that's going to ask you to give this thing a name, and or describe something. Put down some words. When did you take the pictures? Where did you take the pictures? Is there anything special? And I promise you, 2 years later, if you're looking for photos of a holiday from 2 years before, and you've got them in Dropbox or in Google Drive or in Drop or somewhere else in a cloud, your file manager in your Chromebook will say, here they are. So when you start looking for them searching for them in your Chromebook, it'll tell you, here they are. Click it and you're seeing them. Maybe they're inside your PC, maybe they're in your Dropbox, maybe they're in your Google Drive, but all will show up in the directory. You won't lose anything. This is essential for cloud computing, okay? The day of the hard drive is dead. Now everything is internet. You need a good internet connection, because essentially your hard drive is in the cloud. You buy a Chromebook, which is just, let's say, a telescope, and the videos you like to see are in the cloud. The machine that plays those videos is also in the cloud. Photos are in the cloud. The application that you use to edit photos is also in the cloud. The great part of that is when you want to share stuff, and let's face it, everyone today is sharing everything. It's already up there. You don't have to upload a photo 10 times. It's already in the cloud. Just share it with people right there. So you'll save internet quota. You'll have super fast internet all month. Now, if you don't have good Wi-Fi, you're fucked. Don't get a Chromebook. Finished. Okay? But if you feel that most of the time you're in your house, you're plugged in, your computer's on your lap, you got good Wi-Fi, get a Chromebook. It's $100. That battery will last you 25 hours, although you maybe don't need it. If you're sitting home all day, just plug in. Okay? But the beautiful part is, over a period of, say, a year, I opened up a Google Drive, I opened up a Dropbox, I opened up a Drop. I also use OneDrive from Microsoft. I put stuff in different places, okay? And finally, when I need something in my Chromebook, when I look for photographs of my trip 2 years ago to Italy, I wrote in the search, Italy 2014, and there they were. When I clicked, I saw them. I shared them. I don't know where they were. I discovered after they were in a Dropbox. I thought they were in a Google Drive. But Chromebook does all of that for me, okay? So really, you have more storage space than any computer you could imagine. It's built with Linux. It's cheaper than any other computer in the market. And for people who live in the cloud, like medical students at Harvard or law students at Stanford, this baby's the way to go.